come back to the last topic of this unit, the EAN calculation for a polynuclear compounds. This is only for a most NEET exam only. If you want, you see this video. So EAN value for a formula Zn into Nm plus number of sigma bond into Nm plus electron pair by the ligand into Nl. Then the overall square bracket is closed and into 1 by Nm. So we will see all the abbreviation. What is Zn? Atomic number of the central metal atom, and this is number of central metal atom, and Nm is number of central metal atom. Nl is the number of ligands. So here the number of sigma bond formed between metal and metal bond into this is Nm is called number of metal atom. Let us see the example. Only then you will be understand very easily. It is a polynuclear, more than one metal. Here 2 ion, here are 3 ion. Then we will try for this applying the formula. Before that, you just to see the diagram. This is Fe, Fe. It is a sigma bond. So here only sigma bond. One bond contains 2 electrons. So here it is a CO9. So what here this side 3 CO, this side 3 CO. This side all 3 triple bond O, C triple bond O, C triple bond O. C triple bond O, C triple bond O, C triple bond. These are called as a bridged carbonyl, that is C double bond O, C double bond O, C double bond O. Because it will be helpful for you to calculating the how many sigma bond and how many pi bonds is there, we should have calculated. So last we will see. So here the atomic number is 26 into 2. That is called oxidation number of the Fe. So 52 plus it is a unit intake 2 into it is only we should see the number of sigma bond is only 1. So 2 into 1. So next one is number of ligands is 9. So each one gives 2 electrons. So totally 18. Just to see this once again the formula. This is nothing but atomic number of the central metal atom. So atomic number of ion is 26 into Nm. That is number of central metal atoms or 2 ions. So multiply by 2. Next one is plus adding the number of electron in sigma bond into metal, central metal atom. So central metal atom is 2. So 2 into 1. So 2. So here the number of ligands donated by the electron is 2 into number of ligands is called 9 ligands are present 18. Totally 72 into 1 by 2. This is called number of Nm, number of central metal atom. And central metal atom number is 2. So divided by 2. So we are getting 36. It is equal to the krypton 36. It obeys EAN rule. Then Fe3CO12. This is the diagram of Fe3CO. Fe3CO this side of 4 and this side top 3, bottom 3, and it has a bridge ligands to Fe to Fe. This is C double bond O. This is C double bond O. C triple 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 bond O, C triple bond O, C triple bond O, C triple bond O. Totally it has a 3 Fe bond, Fe bond. This is sigma bond. So now let us see this number of atomic number of central metal atom of ion is 26. Here it has a 3 Fe bonds. 1, 2, 3. So 3 into 2 water, 2 electrons in each sigma bond. Plus ligands are 12 ligands are there. Each one don't unit intake. So 2 into 12. So we are getting 108 multiplied by 1 by, it is multiplied by 1 by 3. You will get a 36. So that is krypton 36. It is supposed to be written as a 1 by 3 because it is number of atomic, central metal atom is called as a Nm. So it is a 3 is there. So we should write a 3 here. So 1 by 3, 72 into 1 by 3 gives a 36. Here 1 by 2 and in this case 1 by 3 and 108 into 1 by 3 we are getting 36. Then now M2CO10 now. So this is a structure Mn, bond Mn. Here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No bridge ligons. So what it is a bridge carbonyls, everything is a C triple bond O, triple bond O. It is a only one sigma bond. Mn bond. So the atomic number of manganese is 25 into 2, 50. And then it is only one sigma bond, that is electron is 2. So 2 in 1 into 2, 2. Then unit dentate 10. Each one 2 electrons. So 20, 72. Number of electron central metal atoms are 2, 72 into 1 by 2, 36. Krypton is 36. Here CO2, CO8. So the atomic number of that structure you just see CO, CO. Here CO, C triple bond O, 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 but it has a bridge carbonyls. So what between these two? So what C double bond O, C double bond O. So 27 is the atomic number. Number of the central metal is 2, 57. Plus the bond between metal and metal is only one bond donating 2 electrons, sigma bond. So into, 1 into 2 plus 2. Here 8, each one is a unilegon multiplied by 2, 16. So 72 into 1 by 2 equal to 36. Krypton 36, it is obeys EAN rule. Then CO4 or CO12. So in this EAN value 27 is atomic number, but 4 plus 6 into 2 because it has a 6 C single bond CO single bond CO bond, that is CO is the metal and another CO is the metal. Metal bond is 1. Here the diagram. Here CO. So this is C triple bond O 3 times, here 3 times, here 3 times, here 3 times. And it is a cross link. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So what it has though it has a CO4, but it has a 6 CO bond. So what 27 into 4 is atomic number of Gopal 27. That central metal atoms are 4. So 108 plus 6 into 2, 12 plus 12 into 2, 24 equal to 144. So totally it is a 1 by 4. It is 1 by 4. We are getting 36. Krypton 36. So let us see the one more neat question. Number of sigma and pi bonds in Fe2CO9. Here the bond is Fe. I already told you Fe sigma bond Fe. This is all a triple bond and the bridge carbonyls are having the double bond. So when you calculate sigma bond and pi bond, let us see this whether we are getting correct answer or not. Each single bond is called as a sigma bond. All FeCO bond is called sigma bond. But pi bond means double bond is considered as a pi bond. In double bond, one pi bond and one sigma bond because pi bond never comes alone. So when the pi bond is there is a one sigma bond. If triple bond means two pi bond and one sigma bond. If double bond means one pi bond and one sigma bond. So that's what I said, 2 bonds in each triple bond, 2 pi bond in each triple bond and 1 pi bond in each double bond. That's what I said, double bond contains 1 pi bond, triple bond contains 2 pi bond. But pi bond never comes alone. So 2 pi bond means there is one sigma bond. 1 pi bond means there is one sigma bond. So like that we should calculate the sigma bond. So calculate sigma bond here 1, 2. Center one is a sigma bond. Top one and this top one is a pi bond. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So there are 22 sigma bonds. Next, let us consider the pi bonds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 pi bond. So each triple bond contains 2 pi bond. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15. So each triple bond contains 2 pi bond and each double bond contains 1 pi bond. When pi bond comes, sigma bond also will be come along with pi bond. So sigma pi bond never come alone, it come along with the sigma bond. So when a 2 bond means 1 pi bond, 1 sigma bond, triple bond means 2 pi bond, 1 sigma bond. Single bond is all considered as a sigma bond. Thank you, students.